What up? What up?
Order filled.
See what happens. What up, guys? Hey, Marie. What up, TJ? Come on, give me another green candle. I'm going to move my stop up. Just because I'm down a bunch, I'll just lock in some gains. That's fine with me. That's fine with me if I get out at 80 bucks.
Order filled.
Things have been pretty good. Things have been pretty good. What up, John? Good morning. Good morning. Yo, Diddy's free. What happened? What was what's the verdict? Is he like free? No way he's like free. He didn't get in any trouble. What up, Donna? Good morning, Sharif. So what's the deal with Diddy? He's completely free? What happened here? I'm still setting this up. Dude, that's wild. Now I'm going to have to go check it out. I got to flip this green.
Order filled.
Yo, I just need to lock in another day is all I need. I don't need anything freaking crazy. I'm just trying to lock in a day, baby. Give me 200 bucks. Oh, I saw he was not guilty on some things, and he was guilty. Kron, you thought it was going
Order
down?
filled.
I don't know if it's going down.
Order filled.
I think we're going to keep going up. That was kind of where I wanted to get in originally, was right at this purple line. So that's kind of where I wanted to get in. Yo, what up, Miramar?
Order filled.
Oh, that's a nice one. $59. Yo, Mark is pretty good today. I just need to make $200 and something here, and I could be done. How 250 bucks with minis all day? So easy. So easy. Come on. I got all my stuff out. It's so crazy because we dumped pre-market. And ever since the dump pre-market, we've been straight up. I haven't had one. I didn't take one trade off this Renko thing because it's been straight up. So crazy. What up, Code? Yo, the duck race doesn't get open. It gets open randomly by Streamlabs. It's not open, so that the thing won't work. Show the Renko. All right, it's on a tab, so I'll just bring it and bring it back. You'd have gotten long basically at 9:30, but I don't like getting long at 9:30. So, yeah, I mean, it was straight up. And you would stay long because we're in a green dot. So basically it's all longs currently, but there's been no red. The red would get you out, and then another green would get you back in.
Order filled.
But it's been nothing but greens. So, good morning. How to enter? You got to be on the stream when it's open. That's how you enter. It's not open right now. How do you copy trade in a take profit trader evaluation? Are you what platform are you trading with, Mudu? Are you trading with Tradeibait?
Order filled.
With Trading View? Oh, of course I fucking... This is what I... If you have Ninja Trader, I would use Replicanto. What the fuck just happened? Dude, what was that? Is there news? So if you have Tradeivate, any Tradeivates, you can just go here and you can go to manage groups and you can make a group name and then you can just drag it over and copy trade that way. That's how you can copy trade for free within Tradeivate. Go just create a group and you can do it for free, Mudu. If you want to copy trade prop firm to prop firm, like multiple prop firms, then you're going to need like Replicanto. Dude, what was that? But yeah, I would just manage a group. Just go to click the accounts, go to manage groups, and create a group. What's the difference between one machine and two, Brandon? What do you mean one machine and two? Like machine. I'm not exactly sure what you mean. What's the difference between one machine and two? Yo, what up, Dillis? Oh, they're talking about how many computers you have it on. One computer or two computers. I only have it on one computer. That long is nice that you grabbed. Mudu, I did make a trade of 8 and activated group trades, but I don't see the manage group option. It should be right here. You scroll down and then it should be here. Like when you make the group will be right here. Just got to scroll down for it. Dude, Corey, that happens to a lot of people, man. Because you're trading carefree. And then when you have a funded account, you get all tight. You get all worried. And then once you're worried, you start like not playing free. And that's what happens. Look at this shit. They come down, stop me out, and 3 minutes later, we're higher. That's reckless. Yeah, no problem, man. Let me know how it goes. That's what this is about, man. That was crazy. That was just crazy sauce. I don't understand how that just happened. It literally just plummeted 30 points to just bounce it right back. Yeah, because it's the style of your playing. Like you're playing free, you're letting things move around probably. You don't have tight stops because you're not worried. And then all of a sudden, you're worried. Dude, I'm almost at another payout. Talking about that here, I'm almost at another payout. Let me see. What the fuck? Bro, I traded in the wrong fucking account. Oh, Quant Tower just hosed me. Dude, that sucks. I was just up. Oh man, this is a crazy freaking move. So this account was just up $400. And I clicked here and I switched the accounts, but I didn't switch it on my chart. So I thought I was trading a different funded account. And now I'm down. That was $800. That's crazy.
Order filled.
Go for it. I think this is just going to go for it all day. That sucks so bad. I'll take a couple bucks.
Order filled.
Just reduce my freaking loss. That sucks. That sucks so bad. How the fuck did that happen? Well, that's user error. I was like $700 away from a $2,000 payout, and now I am not. Oh, jeez. I want to punch the computer screen. That sucks. If you're using Quant Tower, make sure you really switch your fucking things. That sucks so bad. Now I'm going to have to build that account back up even more. Stupidity. That was absolutely a stupid move. All right. Back to this shiznick. See if we can just get this one over. I need to just finish this for the day. Oh, I need one good solid setup, and I can freaking probably be done with this account. Yo, what up, Inuit? What's crack? I need a big dump. DC8. Oh, geez. You're in heavy then. You went in heavy? Just kept adding? Yeah. Honestly, you're probably, it feels like you're going to get some type of pullback, at least to like maybe 800. I mean, it's been nothing but a grind up the whole time. Yeah, Ray, I would be done for the day. That's typically where I end. Up 3,000 in a funded account, I'm done. Man, I can't. That fucking ruined my day. I can't believe that shit. I hit the open trade. I hit the open trade. Made 400 bucks. Was up money. And I didn't. And then I thought I was in a different account. That's not cool. Not cool at all. Now I gotta. Oh, yo, Marco's like, please. I'm testing something going. I'm testing. I definitely am testing. Curious if this is going to be the high of the day. Watch this be the high of the day, by the way. I don't know if it will be. I don't know if it will be. Dude, you might get lucky here, Marco. What up? I'm back. My bad. My wife needed something real quick. I'm so fucking bitter about that. Now, do I try to make it back? I guess I do, right? Try to make that shit back. I was trying to get paid doing fucking one thing. We are right at, this is the initial imbalance right here at 8. I want to see him pump it to at least 17, maybe. I'm trying, Monet. I'm fucking heated over here. I am heated. I need to make that back, and I need to make this. Need to make these two things back.
Order filled.
I'm just trying to make.
Order filled.
I'm just trying to scalp some money here. Please. Oh, look at this shit going. I feel like I'm just seeing everything. I'm trying to make a move here. Hopefully, oh my God. Anyone getting nervous that we're reaching the high of the day here? I kind of feel like we're getting close to the highs. I still don't see the option. Do I have to pay for Madhu? What option to copy trade? Madhu, you go here, look, manage groups. You name the group. Group 2. Ready? And then you just move your accounts over that you want in there, right? Save. And then group 2 is right here. You click it, and then you select one of these that are in group 2. So this is in group 2, and now I could trade, and it will copy trade. That's how it works. It's not, that's it. It should work. If you don't have that, what I just showed you in your Tradeivate, then you should contact them and ask what's going on, because that's exactly how you copy trade on Tradeivate. Right, you just got to hold. That's how easy it is. It's so easy. You just have to hold. I don't think people realize how easy it is. I'm being sarcastic. Shit's hard to hold. So easy. I love when people ask me all the time on the when people ask me, like, bro, why didn't you just hold? It's like, yeah, okay, man, why don't you just hold? Hold these nuts. Anyways, yeah. It seems like we're just entering this little chop zone. Oh, I wouldn't. Nothing too crazy here. Yeah, it feels like it's time for chop for like a little bit. You just moved up a ton. I wanted to see them go right into this area right here. This 680, this 865 to 874 is kind of where I thought we would possibly go. That'd be a good spot to really short up there. Code. That would be a great spot to short. We'll see what happens. I'm just kind of hanging, breathing and relaxing. Man, this Renko thing just went for it all day. Yo, what up, TiVo? This Renko thing didn't really give me any opportunity to really play it today. It just was out the gate up. This thing's going to go for it. Go for a push. I ain't chasing. I didn't know news was coming and blew my funded. What? Wait. What news, Dell? Hold on one second. What news you talking about? What news happened? I don't even know. Oh, 8 8:30. Yeah, I'm not even, for the most part, I'm not really even in. What were you, copy trading at 8:30 in the morning? 35.4 code. What up, David? Vietnam tariffs. The problem is you never know when any of this tariff news is going to hit. Dude, this tariff news can come out of anywhere right now. From now until it's all settled, you can get tariff news at any time. You got China's deadline coming up July 9th. And I'm just going to be honest with you. If he doesn't have a fucking deal by July 9th, dude, this market's going to tank. I would think that this market's going to tank. Yo, what up, Lord? I would think that if there's no deal, by July 9th, I would assume we're going down, because just like he said he's going to start tariffing Canada hard, he's going to start hammering China. That's the move, right? That's his move. Yo, the market's up on Diddy news. Yo, is he free, Dr. T? What's the deal? Is he free? Good old Diddy news. Yo, what up, Tony G? Grinding the longs, baby. I like it. I'm just super worried that we're getting extended at some point. Feels extended-y. Feels like we're a little extended. We'll see what happens. But you know, it's been riding the purple line. Grinder for longs? Bro, you guys are hysterical. Extend Diddy. What up, Garcha? Yeah. I'm going to read about the Diddy shit during lunch, see what the deal is. I said from the beginning, after the first couple days, I don't think he's going to get prosecuted for everything. Only because there was a lot of text messages that were like, yo, when's the next party by the girls? And they were asking when they could hang out again. So there was a lot of, stuff. I'm sure he's going to get hit for a couple things, but it's not going to be the big things. Yo, what up, John? I don't think he's getting hit for the big shit. I think it's just going to be, I'm waiting for a setup. I'm waiting for something so I can make some money. Could you imagine how much money Diddy could make coming out with a product called Diddy Oil? Bro, I thought about that this morning. I was like, if he made Diddy oil, people would fucking buy the shit out of that thing. You know, I know he lost a lot of money, but he's still very wealthy. Like, he's going to sell maybe a house or two. Everything's going to be covered. He just sold Revolt, which I'm sure he made a ton of money on. So, yeah, Oliver, small pullback. It's just staircasing up. Dude, no. If a dude came at me with a bottle labeled Diddy oil, I would be out of there. Marie's not down with the Diddy oil. I think people would be like more buying it to say they bought Diddy oil. I think it would be more like a one-time purchase. I mean, he had Ciroc. He had a lot of things, man. He's really wealthy. I'm sure this hurt him. I'm sure his reputation's going to be bad. But I don't see him going broke. My day's going pretty good, Jaden.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can get a quick scalp right here. I just want to see it return to the 9 is what I really want to see it do. Return to the 9. I mean, this is a scalp, so I mean, I'll take $50. I want to see this flip green. Come on, we're right there. I mean, this is like a C setup. This isn't like a great setup. I'm just looking for a quickie. Looks like I'm going to get stopped. Just every time we come near the 34, we've been
Order
bouncing.
filled.
So I got fucking stopped. Who's having freak offs right now?
Order
Dude,
filled.
are you shitting me? I don't know who's having them. I'm sure somebody in Hollywood's having them. I'm sure that stuff happens all the time in Hollywood, man. At all these freaking Hollywood parties. I don't like.
Order filled.
I just took my money. I don't like that the 9 keeps coming down. Obviously, the 9's going to keep coming down, but the room that my target is coming lower and lower. I just wanted to see us return to this purple line, and then that was it. And the fact that the longer I held it, that's why I wanted this to go up. There was more money. But as we continue to wait and it gets lower and lower, I'm kind of out. Yeah, man, he was bad boy. He owned Bad Boy. He was part of Ciroc. He was part of Revolt. Dude, he's got plenty of money, man. He's got money. He was, I'm sure he also has stocks and whatnot. Like, I'm sure he has a stock portfolio that's massive, probably getting dividends. Like, he's got money, man. Ivan, I have not. One time they asked me why I sell so fast, and I said I have a personal issue, and that was it. I told them I can't hold out longer than 1 minute. And they said, okay, fine, that's okay. But honestly, I do the same thing over and over. Like I play a lot of the same stuff. So it's not like I'm randomly buying and selling like in the middle here or wherever. Like, you know, I'm basically buying at moving averages, and you know, it's not like I'm not doing it randomly. Like I'm doing the same thing over and over. So like I had to answer questions one time and I had no issues. I got paid. I think it was
Order
I
filled.
think it was Apex made me do a video about it one time to get a payout. Very few trades say, yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to scout. It's I was up a little bit, but I might just exit here for I was literally gonna exit right there for
Order filled.
I just got out basically even. Apex made me spread it. He wanted a whole video. Is Trump speaking today? I don't. Let me look. Where would I? Financial Juice.
Order filled. Order filled.
Is Trump speaking today? Trump is at America's 250 event much later today. I don't have Trump speaking at all today, but that doesn't mean he can't tweet and wreck your day. Yeah. He's one tweet away from wrecking your day. So just remember that. What up, Kaba? You are always one tweet away in this environment. That's all it takes. Are they not going to push this up off the 34?
Order filled.
What a hoe bag market. Look at that. Look at that. They're going to now push it? Shut the fuck up. Watch. Watch them now push this right through. They're going to blast us into fucking space. I should just freaking hold. All I was trying to do was get $200 today, and here I am. I was trying to ride the trend. We came back to 34, and now I'm just getting fucking yo-yoed.
Order filled.
I will say I'll be glad because I don't have to trade this fucking Topstep account anymore. That's the one bonus. I'll be done trading Topstep. Look at it. It's coming all the way back. All the way fucking back.
Order filled. Order rejected.
I won't sell this shit. Bye-bye. I'm not selling this. We're going to see what happens. I hit it for 2,300 in pre-market. That's solid. What up, Tony? I'm going to crack my grape. What? What are you doing? Starts? Dude, once the tweets start, you're finished. Once the tweets start, just exit the market. Exit to the right and be done.
Order filled.
I'll just fucking wait. I'm just going to wait. We're just getting chopped. I'm going to wait for one good setup today, and I'm going to buy two minis in this account, and whatever happens, happens. That's it. It's almost like the buying just died. Like every time we got to basically the 34, we've been going up. And it's basically like the buying volume is just washed up. What up, Coach Fred? You know, you're going up, you're trending. Look, we return to 34, we go up. We pretty much come back to 34 up, back to 34 up, back to 34 up, back to 34, and now it kind of looks fucking dead. Love the hat. Yo, this is a custom-made hat. Plus shaving. Yeah. You can't buy this hat. My brother had it made. I don't know about all the way back down, but I could definitely see us coming back. Nothing surprises me anymore, though, Waldo. Not in these markets. I think we're overbought. I think there's a lot of things underlying that are really bad. You got negative GDP. You got them not cutting rates. So you got high rates, negative GDP, debt that's extremely high. You got all types of stuff. Yo, he's free, Josh? What did he get charged with? What was the finale? He got a prostitution charge? Dude, he was acquitted on racketeering and theft trial. Oh, that's crazy. Wow. Bro. I mean, they took an L. Yo, it is wild, Josh. I don't know. I just don't think they had much personally. Like after I thought he was going to be done, but then I don't know.
Order filled.
Yeah, so once I heard that she was like texting him, being like, "Yo, when are we doing this again?" and all this other stuff. That was like his big like, holy shit. Now you have text messages of people hitting him up saying, "When's the next party?" So it's kind of hard to say, it's kind of hard to blame him if they were texting him being like, "Yo, when's the next party?" That was the big break. That was literally his big break was that.
Order filled.
Him able to say, "Hey, look at my text messages." Oh, yeah, she was texting the male escorts. Yeah, yeah. That was the whole thing. Like once that came out, I actually stopped watching because I was like, oh, like this girl's fucking hitting the dudes up and whatnot. Like he's not getting in trouble. Honestly, I thought there was gonna be more better one-liners and stuff. Like it wasn't. The Johnny Depp trial was better. The Johnny Depp trial was where it was at. Her pooping on his bed, all types of stuff. The Depp thing was freaking hysterical.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is the top of the initial imbalance, I believe. Yeah, look, you're sitting right here. I would assume they're going to bounce this at least a little bit. Maybe up to like, it may not be a lot. You may get like eight points or something.
Order filled.
Oh, I got $200 in here. I got it. Yo, word on the street is Cove likes to poop on the bed too. What up, Methodical? Johnny Depp trial was the best. The mega pints and all the other BS. Like I thought the Johnny Depp thing was great. This wasn't that. This trial was. I mean, it was something to talk about, but I wasn't like, oh, this is good. Johnny Depp's, yeah, man. Johnny Depp's the mega pint, or the fact when she was like, I got stung by a bee, and then everyone was making all the rhyming jokes up about it. Dude, that shit was funny. It was funny. Beautiful short yesterday's highs. I think it almost feels like the high of day is in. Yo, what is that? Is that Rocket Mortgages, Josh? Let me see what it looks like. Dude, I played this so many times. I mean, chart doesn't look bad. I'll bring it up on my thing. Let's see what we're dealing with. What time does my Discord open? It's open right now. You can go in right now. It's open all day. Oh my God. Yo, it definitely does not support what I normally look at. Dude, it has massive declining revenue numbers. Why? Why are the revenue numbers down? Oh, you know why? Mortgages are probably down a ton, right? Mortgages are probably down a ton. I mean, you're basically betting on the housing market to come back, right? Yeah. I mean, it's interesting. I normally don't play that type of stuff. I normally don't trade that type of stuff only because it's like you're betting on, not only are you betting on the housing market to come back, but you're also betting that when the housing market comes back, that they are a direct benefit of it. You know what I mean? Rocket Mortgages, RKT. It's interesting. Yeah, but you know who else just got into the mortgage game? Robinhood. Robinhood just got into mortgages, and they're actually cheaper than anybody else. Just something to take note of. Robinhood now offers mortgages on their app. I wonder how much that will take away from them. Yeah, I mean, Webull is freaking legit. If Webull closes, yeah, I'm going to get my shares taken away, Josh. I wrote $13 calls and I'm going to get them taken away. My not break even, but like I wrote them for, I think, 40 cents. So basically, I'm getting my shares taken away at $13.40, which is fine. I had 1,300 shares. I made over 10% of my money really fucking quick. I'll just wait for a pullback. But yeah, it's going crazy. Bull was a good one, man. Bull could still be really good. Yo, and think about how long it took you to get 15%. How long did it take you to get 15%? 2 weeks, 3 weeks? I mean, we got it really quick. Dude, my kids' camp is like on the other side of my block, kind of, and I could hear them. They got something going on outside, and I hear it all fucking day. Yo, she thought it'd move the market. Maybe the fucking, I don't even know. They ain't moving anything. The old Diddy oil? Nah. Nope. Yo, whoever's selling baby oil, once he says he's getting into the baby oil game, you could see Johnson and Johnson just get crushed. It's the only thing I see. Ain't no party like a Diddy party. So, what up, Jason? Yeah, I mean, I don't think he's fucked. I think he's going to lay low for. You're not going to hear about Diddy for probably 2 years. He's probably going to lay low, live life, and then he'll probably get into something afterwards. That's what I think will happen to him. What up, Nathan? Yeah, I think he's going to lay low for a little bit. You're just going to not hear about him. Oh man, I'm exhausted. I got to eat something. What should we eat? What is good to eat for lunch? Try and think what I had for dinner. I had burgers. I have no burgers left. Damn. My wife's not getting me any food. Duck race is open for anyone that's on. And that's it. I don't know, man. I got to eat something. Is it weird? I want to kind of take a short here and just fucking hold.
Order
I
filled.
might do that. This might be I don't know if I'm holding that long. I don't think I'm holding that long, but we'll see. We shall see. Man, you know what's crazy was we had such a wild morning, and then all of a sudden we just chopped. The morning was great. It was like up, 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 up. And now it's just kind of chopping. What up, Larry? Yeah, it's just chopping away right now. I don't know. I mean, the high of the day could be definitely in right now. And we can just kind of. Oh, you know what I fucking didn't bring up? I never brought up my Renkos. Yo, the Renko thing crushed it today, by the way. What am I holding right now? Baidu calls for January 2027. These are my covered calls. GDRX shares. And then I sold puts also. Some hymns. 45, 40. I own it. IONQ sold some puts. Got some calls. LMND, Lyft, NBIS puts. Oscar, I added to this today. I sold 1750s today. That's it. Anytime you want to know, man, I'll show you, Josh. I'll show anybody. I have no problem with showing you what positions I'm in. Yeah, it's kind of like a hymns. No. I got it like 460, I think, in one account. And in here I got it much later. I also have a what do you call it? A Robinhood account. But no, GDRX, I bought that in this account, I bought it at 490. But I want to say in my Robinhood account, I got it like 460. $2? Nah, it's never been at $2. The lowest it's been recently is like 387. Yo, I meant to get a trade day prop firm yesterday. I meant to get one yesterday. and I did not. Yeah. What was I going to say? Your portfolio is going insane today? I don't even know if I'm up. Oh, you know why I'm not up? Because Oscar Health hit me with a I am down. Oh, no, my bad. I thought I was down, bro. Sometimes you think you're down, but you're really up. I'm up $1,000, but if Oscar Health wasn't down this much, I'd be up $2,400. But I believe that they're going to come back and make a big comeback. So the fact that I'm accumulating lower, it is what it is. That's not an expert opinion. That's my opinion. Just in case anybody's wondering. Dude, I saw that. I just can't play that because I remember ages ago. Lemonade is good selling calls every calls or puts every week. The premiums are high. Yo, Corey, what'd you have an issue with trade day? Was there an issue or what's the deal? Josh, we need to get like an option / stock chat going on in the Discord. We need like 3 more people that are into it as much as you and I are into it. I keep telling myself I should just start posting in there, and then whoever comes in, comes in. But I would like to have a solid options stock area in the Discord for anyone that's into it. Yeah. Tell them to use the best code ever. Code Cove Trader at Trade Day. I'm going to look at lunch, Corey. I'll probably buy one. I'll probably buy 1 or 2. You got to have multiple eyes, Josh. Like even what I look at, like I have a Twitter that is not Cove Trader. It's a Twitter that I only follow people. I don't follow their plays. I just, it's like a net. So I follow these people, I catch the net, and I see what they're talking about, and then I do my own research. It's hard. You can't do research on every single stock and know everything that's going on in the market. It's crazy. But if you cast a net out and you got 100, 200 people that you could follow, and they're not just putting out plays, they're just putting out ideas about things, it makes it easier to research. Carl, you're in? I'm gonna start posting in the Discord. I did a video. I didn't even have a great option stock month last month. I did like $15,800. Dude, this is just chop. I do like they inverted this though. Not that it's an A+ setup or anything. It's probably like a C- setup, but I might take it and just stop out below the 34. I'm not even gonna play it. I'm actually gonna go grab some freaking lunch. If you want to support the stream, use code Cove Trader below. I'm going to be back at 2 o'clock, 2:15. We'll give away an account. We'll probably give away a Take Profit Trader account today. If you missed your chance to join today on this stream, it was open before. It will be open again on the later on stream. Other than that, yeah, I'm going to do a stock and options area in the Discord. I know I have the channel already made, but I will start posting on it. I promise. And that's pretty much it. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. Peace.